On the first day of wealthmas, my true love said to me, "What is wealthmas? Why have you got a Christmas hat on in July? Would you like a Christmas bonus in July, in the middle of summer? Click the notifications button, hit the subscribe button, click the like button and share. And now we'll dive right into what I'm going to share with you today, because the great and lovely Robin Smith is doing some wealthmas training. Obviously money doesn't grow on trees, but she's going to show us how to make money grow on Christmas trees in July. It starts on July the 8th in 8 days. And she gives you a free gift, 10 ways to sell today, just for signing up. Then you will go on to the next page with another video. What it is 12 days of short trainings on email, different ways to make money, such as affiliate marketing, bots, ebooks, and much more. So that's it. Just join, hit the link below, because I'll be doing it too. I'd love to see you in the group. On the first day of wealthmas. Never mind, I can't sing. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications button. Share with your friends, because it's going to be a great fun. I've done Robin's trainings before and she's ace. See you on the next video. Bye.